Hello fishing friends, this is Matthew with Outfishing 13 bringing you another reel service video for Zebco reels. Today I'm going to show you how to repair or replace the rubber button on a Zebco Bullet. Okay, for this repair today, you're just going to need a couple of tools. You're going to need a number 0 Phillips screwdriver. You might need a small screwdriver, and we'll need a big screwdriver. So the part number that you're going to need to replace just the rubber part, because what's happened on this one is it's cracked here, and then it's cracked and worn out there. The plastic button underneath this, it looks like it's probably still in good shape, but I want to replace that to prevent any water and stuff getting underneath there. It still works fine, and if yours is cracked like that, you might just wait too, but I want to make sure mine's in tip-top shape. The part number that you're looking for is an AN109-01 27B. So you can get these on tackleservice.com. I'll put the part number in the description below along with a link to the bullet on Tackle Service. First thing that we need to do is we just need to take the front off, and you want to push in the button to get the pins out of the way, the pickup pins. Okay. And then holding the handle tight, turn the spinner head to the left and take it off. And then turning the drag and tightening it all the way, we can then turn this to the right just a little bit and then take off the spool. Okay, then we need to turn this all the way back, because right down in there you might see that little gear in there. That little gear is in the way of one of our screws that we need to take, one of the two screws we need to take out. So what we want to do is turn this back down to all the way down to the lowest setting, and then we can reach in there with the screwdriver and take out undo that screw. Once you've done that, you can take the back off. Now we don't need to take anything else apart on this at this point in time. So I'm just going to set that here, and we're going to focus on this part right here. So there's 4 screws that hold this in, okay? So we're going to take out these 4 little screws. Now you can use a little flat screwdriver, but I'm going to use my little Phillips screwdriver to get into there. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Okay, we're not going to replace this plastic piece. We're just going to take it out. So we need to pop it out of there. So just kind of bend it and pop it out, just like that. Okay, this one is still in good shape. These little fingers right here can break, and if they break, you just replace this. You don't have to replace the whole rubber button. Put it in like that, and then push it down in there and push it into place, just like that. Okay. And then put our 4 screws back in. I can see what's going on. My hole isn't lining up perfectly, so it wants to cross thread it when it's going in. We don't want that to happen. I'm going to push that over and start it in there. Okay. Okay, the button's installed and it's working nicely. Nice new button. Okay, then we just need to put this back on here. Make sure everything lines up. it's on there snugly. Okay. Put this back on and tighten this up. Turn it to the right. Put our spinner cap back on. Depress the button. Okay. I'm going to put my little button back on here. My little line keeper. There we go. It works great. And it looks good. This one was really worn out. I won't throw this one away. I'll keep it. If for some reason I need it as a spare, I'll use it. But as you can see, it's pretty worn out. This got a lot of use. And this will make it much better. Keep it from getting any rain or water in there. Anyways, if you enjoy this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel by pushing on the button right over there. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.